Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a power hour clean with me. So I've made a list of all the areas that I'd like to get done today. So I'm going to start by throwing in a load of laundry. Then I'm going to move on to the fridge, pull out any leftovers, anything that's expired, and just get rid of those items. Then I want to move on to the kitchen area, just kind of clean and straighten up the kitchen, take care of any dishes or anything that's laying around. Then I need to start the dishwasher, and last I'm going to vacuum and mop our kitchen and dining room area. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so it's 12:16. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by throwing in a load of laundry. Just one more look at the kitchen and dining room before we get started. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and go through the fridge, pull out anything that's expired and get rid of those things, and then just kind of straighten up the fridge a little bit. I'm not going to do a big clean today. I'm just going to pull out the things that are no longer good. I'm moving on to the dishes. I'm going to go ahead and load the dishwasher, get that going, and then we'll start cleaning up the kitchen. Okay, so now it's 12:40. I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen, wiping down the kitchen, and then straightening up the dining room. Okay, so we're almost done. It is 1 o'clock. I have about 15 minutes. I need to vacuum and mop, and then we'll be all done. And we are all done. I'm so glad we went ahead and took the time to do this power hour. I definitely needed it, and now I feel like I've accomplished something and I can just move on with my day and get some other things done. But at least this is one thing I can check off my list. I hope you found this video super motivating, and I hope it inspires you to tackle an area in your home. Now, whether you have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, just make a list, set a timer, and do what you can in that amount of time. A little bit at a time, you will see progress, and it will motivate you to keep going and get your house clean. If you would like to see another power hour clean with me, whether that's a bathroom clean or bedroom clean or something like that, just let me know in the comments down below. I would be happy to make those videos for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.